Hey guys, welcome to the Geeks Wall. Today I would like to talk about the ChatGPT, the most trending OpenAI framework. The OpenAI team has developed a model. Actually, they trained a model to process the natural language and convert that to a code. In an interactive way, it will respond to you, not like Alexa or Siri, which will read the pre-built or pre-programmed instructions back to you. This is a more interactive chat or conversational tool, I would say. ChatGPT is fine tuned with supervised learning and reinforcement learning techniques. So it can be used for human interactions, such as, let's say, uh, people like me, like code developers uses Stack Overflow time to time to get their questions answered. So you don't have to use Stack Overflow anymore. Simply ask your question in Chat GPT and get your answers immediately. You don't have to wait for somebody else to respond back to your questions in Stack Overflow anymore. Many of us are now thinking that how it would affect the demand for knowledge workers. So if you don't need a person to write a code anymore, you just give the instructions to this chat GPT and it will generate the code for you. So what is the need for a knowledge worker anymore? For this reason, Stack Overflow, the Q&A on website, even banned ChatGPT for generating answers to the questions. So we'll see what ChatGPT is and what it is capable of doing. It is a more robust system. It's not robust enough for now, but eventually it'll become a more robust platform. So this will actually help any developer or any person that's looking for some help in the internet. You want to see how that works? Let's jump into the demo. Okay, let's try chat.openai.com. That's the website you go into. Yeah, if you're a first time customer, you probably need to create an account in OpenAI and then you can come to this page. So I'll show you how that is. Go to a browser and type in chat.openai.com. So it takes about some time because most of the customers are, I mean, customers in the sense people like us are trying to access this website and there is a lot of lagging. There aren't enough servers to serve a request. So that's what they're saying. So yeah, many have flocked to our website in this hour. That means it's most trending at the moment. At today at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, you know, there's a huge traffic on this platform. Um, but if you get to the OpenAI login screen, just go ahead and sign up with your Google account or Microsoft account. It'll ask you to enter few details like your first name, last name, probably a phone number. Go ahead and do so, and once you are successfully created your account, you will be redirected to the ChatGPT's home screen. So what I will do today is I'll simply ask ChatGPT to write a simple addition program in multiple languages like this, right? Simple addition program in C, C++, C Sharp, Python, Golang or Go, simply Java and JavaScript. Let's see if it'll write or not. It takes about some time. It tries to read our input. It converts this natural language. This is a natural language. Computer doesn't understand what this language is. So it internally, converts this natural programming language to computer understandable, or um, there are NLPs. If you go look in the internet about NLPs, these NLPs are natural language processors. So it will convert natural language to a machine readable instructions. Okay. uh, so I already tried this. It takes about a minute, so let's be patient and see what happens really here. Okay, that kicked in. So right now it is writing the simple addition program in C. So it's taking about three integers here and reading the input here for A and B, and see the sum is stored in the variable C and it's printed. The sum is printed here. That's C. And let's see, it's C++. Okay, after C++ we have C sharp and then Python and then Go. Let's see. Doesn't it make our life easier? You don't have to worry about finding a logic. I mean, this is a simple addition problem. You can ask any toughest algorithm that you want to crack. You don't know how to solve. It'll give the solutions immediately. Look at that. How amazing it is. This is Python. Look at that. It is even writing the comments for the code. How amazing. It's a fantastic. I think it's writing the comments only for Python. I don't see comments for other programming languages. Still fine. It's amazing. And this is Golang. Don't be surprised if robots take over humans in near future. I mean, if you have a AI model like this, it's just a matter of time to have someone invent or create a robot that exactly looks like a human being, acts like a human being, conversates, and has all. I mean, and also has emotions like human being. I don't feel surprised at all. So yeah, this is JavaScript, and that's the result. Okay, it's still rendering something. Okay, it's done. Amazing. And see, it gave a name for this chart, a simple addition program. Okay, this is a simple addition program, and I have tried adding two integers before. Let's try a new uh, problem. Let's ask ChatGPT to write a complex algorithm. um, okay, write the algorithm to um, calculate Fourier series. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Wow. Yeah, Fourier series is not a complex algorithm, but look at that. How fastly it is giving the answers. It is explaining a line by line, statement by statement. It's amazing. With this, anybody can learn any language. It's super easy, super cool, and everybody should try this. It is freeware right now, but the OpenAI team is thinking about monetizing it soon. So yeah, I mean, try it sooner, so you don't have to pay anything. Probably there'll be some trial versions, but um, right now it is free, so why wait? Yeah. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.